Hello everyone, welcome to the Stock Martin channel. I have another great video for you today. It's been a little bit of a while since I made a video. We have been in Houston, Texas visiting my mother-in-law. She does have pancreatic cancer and is at the end of stage of life. So we have been trying to spend as much time with her as possible. I did just want to give you an update on the EV market out there. And before we get started, if you can please give me that thumbs up, the like button, it'll share my video around YouTube. Subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, hit all. Also, I do have some links down below. If you take advantage of my links down below, you can open an account with Moomoo, get free stocks valued up to $3,500. Somebody did write me they did get a Tesla stock. If you put in any amount of money into this account, you will get an additional $3,500 in potential stocks. If you deposit up to $2,000 or more, you will get 3 additional stocks, each valued $3,500. Take advantage of that before this promotion does expire. It's the best promotion out there. Definitely take advantage of that. Now, I did want to transition and talk to you about the EV stock market and the latest news, but we have seen big movements in Rivian in a negative way. The stock last was at $118. The reason why is the latest news is that Ford Motor Company is starting to have doubts out there and talking about not working with Rivian, making its electric vehicles, its electric trucks. Remember, Ford will have its Lightning pickup truck coming out next year in the year 2022, which will be focusing on expanding its own electric pickup truck. But this bad news has brought down the stock of Rivian, in my opinion. Right now, it is still cooling off. I have been saying in the past 2 weeks, ever since actually before Rivian did IPO, the initial public offering on November 10th, that I will be waiting about 2 or 3 weeks to put in a position. And we are starting to definitely see that cool down. Remember, at the very beginning, they did start at the initial public offering at $78. It ran up all the way up to $172. We had a lot of investors taking profits. The last time I checked, Rivian stock RIVN was at $118. I still believe it has some room to cool down, to go lower. I will be probably putting in a position just to add to my watch list at about a limit price order of $95. We'll see if it gets down to that point and when, but I do definitely think that this stock is still quite high, is still quite overvalued. Looking at the valuation of these stocks, I do still think that Lucid Motors has a very good chance of being the best electric vehicle company out there. Next to Tesla, I do think that these are going to be the 2 top companies in the world, because I am looking at the technology of the vehicles. Remember, Lucid Motors does have that best technology out there. I will be making more videos about Lucid Motors and its technology just to share with you and my viewers to see what I am talking about. But they have the most efficient vehicle. They have the best electric motor out there. Whenever you do look at its weight and the amount of horsepower and efficiency, it makes its hands down the best out there. It does compete and actually beat Tesla Motors with its electric motor. But the battery life, the longest battery life out with the electric vehicles, this stock is going to do quite well in the future. Whenever I do invest in Lucid Motors, I am investing into the future, at least 5 years or more. Right now, I do believe that this stock, it does need to cool down a little bit, but there are a lot of retail investors that are very interested in piling on. But with this negative news and this negative down pressure of Rivian, I do think that there is a potential that the Lucid Motors stock will go down as well. Now, I did also want to transition and talk to you about Polestar. I haven't looked at any of my comments in the past video. I did make a video of the top EV stocks to buy, but I did just not talk about one of them, and that is Polestar. I do definitely think Polestar is one of the best EV startup companies out there, because it is currently out in the market. It is producing vehicles out there. It is also international. They are selling their vehicles in the Asian market, in the European market, which is doing quite well. They are in the United States, is not doing as well here in the United States, but I do think that it will have a better potential with the Polestar 3. The Polestar 3 will be its first SUV. And this vehicle will be produced in the United States, I believe in one of the Carolinas, could be North Carolina, but this vehicle, this company has a great potential. It is a branch of Volvo that did partner up with a Chinese company, a maker, Geely. So this is a co-owned company, Polestar is. It does have an all-electric vehicle, the Polestar 2, which is on sale in the United States. And with those federal tax credits, you can get it up to, I believe it's $36,000, which is an amazing deal for that vehicle. It does have a lot of technology in it. It is built very quality built, and it's very nice vehicle for that price point. On one single electric charge, you can go up to 265 miles, 0 to 65 seconds. In my opinion, I think this is one of the best electric vehicles that is in the startup lineup. But definitely a lot of competition we do have in the EV market. But looking at our stocks, these are definitely good times to get into the stock market with these EVs. Now, I do have to say, please do your own due diligence before purchasing this or any other stocks. We are going through quite a bit of a volatile period. We do have a lot of negative and positive things, but mostly negative in the environment, especially whenever we do talk about the US debt limit. We haven't heard too much about that, but December 3rd, in the next, 2 weeks, you definitely will see a lot of downward pressure because the US government will be running out of money. They do definitely need to address the elephant in the room, which is that debt ceiling. They will need to do something. The politicians will need to do something to get that debt ceiling either increased or get the US government some money so we can function as a nation. I do think that that will bring a lot of downward pressure on the stock market. In addition to that, you're also seeing the COVID waves. There has been some buzz out there that there might be another wave coming. Any of these negative things will decrease and bring down the pressure on these stocks. So with the EV market, please do your own due diligence. In the future, I think that these are going to be very good stocks because we are at the very beginning of this EV revolution. I do think that by the year 2025, leading up to 2023, the year 2025 leading up to 2020, we will have a lot more electric vehicles sold. We will have those charging infrastructure. Remember the Build Back Better bill that just get passed. It does give a lot of incentives to EVs out there. So you will have a lot of consumers interested and be purchasing these vehicles. So it's definitely going to start changing the market. We are in the market at the very, very beginning right now. But again, I do think that it is a good time to be investing in the EV space, in the EV stocks. But I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. And again, thank you so much for everybody's support. I did check the latest the subscriber mark. Again, I haven't really been on my phone too much, and it's 10,000 subscribers. Thank you for each and every one of you for subscribing. I greatly appreciate it, for supporting the channel. Hit that thumbs up. It really does keep me alive on YouTube. I'll share this video with others. Hit that subscribe button if you are new. If you know somebody, share this video with them. If you have family, friends, coworkers, that next door neighbors, share this video, as we are growing the channel quite well. But most importantly, do take advantage of those promotions down below. With Moomoo, it's running the best promotion right now. Open an account, $0 putting into it. You do get a chance of a $3,500 stock. Somebody did get a Tesla stock. Congratulations to that person. If you put in any amount of money into this account using my link down below, you will get an additional stock valued up to $3,500. Put in up to $2,000 or more, you get 3 additional stocks, each valued $3,500. The best promotion out there. Please take advantage of that, as this is going to be expiring soon. And if you have opened an account in the past, using my link down below, using this promotion, it's still, you still have chance to put in that extra $1 or so to get that free stock if you haven't already. But thank you again for all your support, for watching, and I can't wait to talk to you on the next one. Go out there, make some money, and smile. Have a great day, and I can't wait to talk to you on the next one. Thanks for everything. Bye.